We are so excited to introduce the new iPhones. This year, we are releasing 3 new models.
Yeah, same as last year?
The new iPhones are called the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Plus.
Max! It's Max! We innovate. Design-wise, it is the most beautiful phone we have ever created.
I just added a gold color. That's all. Every detail has been reimagined to be the same thing.
And for the first time... Sorry, someone's calling me. Well, hi Tim, this is Steve. What the f*** are you doing with my legacy? iPhone XS? Really? Like, really? iPhone...
The new iPhone XS is a real knockoff, eh? Hey Tim, where's me raise? My wife's been heckling me about a new pair of boots, you know?
What's happening? What's the charisma? The medication.
Is this a new drug in the market? Alright, let's give it a pop. And the new iPhone XS is very...
So how to describe the new iPhone XS Max?
Bigger screen, bigger battery life.
Bigger budget, bigger display, which means bigger cracks, which means bigger regrets.
To the max.
And who the f*** did you hire for the secrecy department this year? Everything leaked 2 weeks before.
Hello, I am the head of secrecy at Apple. Nothing has leaked online. Let me check my Samsung phone and see. Oh no. Tim, I'm so sorry.
What is that Samsung phone doing here?
Oh, no. This is my work phone. It's for important stuff. My iPhone is with my children. Don't worry.
The iPhone XS Max starts at $1,099. And this is the detergent I'm using to wash your brains, by the way. Works. We are also introducing a 3rd iPhone model. It's called the iPhone XR. The iPhone XR. Seriously, X and R. Expensive and ridiculous. And no iPhone 9? No, but 7, 8, 9? Shut up! I heard them too much. Even in the afterlife, you're annoying.
I don't get the point of the iPhone XR.
Well, we want to make it affordable for everybody at only $749.
That's still expensive.
Yeah, I don't know what affordable means. We are taking a huge step forward.
Tip, you're out the frame. Go back to the past.
Yeah, sounds like us.